What's going on, everyone? It's your boy Cesar from GG Kicks here, and today I'm bringing you guys another unboxing. Today we're actually going to be unboxing the Greater China 7s. These were only scheduled to release in China, in Greater China, but they actually released them on the Snrks app, and I was able to get me a pair of these right here. I'll show you guys more in detail. The Jordan brand actually made this shoe to commemorate Jordan's gold medal winnings. So this is basically kind of an Olympic, but since the Olympic got canceled this year due to the human malware, it's not coming out. So I guess no Olympics this year, but they gave us this, so can't complain. So let's take a closer look into the shoe. All right, guys, so here's a close-up on the box. I'm gonna give you a full turn around. That looks like a 2-3 right there. So I believe that might say MJ, then 23. That actually looks like kind of like a Nike logo. Probably isn't. So yeah, according to Nike, that says MJ23, if I'm not mistaken. Just very nice box, special edition box for these releases. Take a look at the tag here. Air Jordan 7 Retro GC Greater China in that white / chili red black colorway, size 10. They retailed for $200, $10 above the actual retail of $190 that the Jordans usually come in. But these actually bring more than just your regular general release. These were kind of limited. Oh, almost didn't show you this. So inside of the red, we got like this gold color. Then for the paper, we got the nice MJ23, again in the Chinese letters. We got more white paper on the inside. Ooh. So here's a first look at them. Let me know what you guys think. These grew on me, I'm not gonna lie to you guys. These definitely grew on me. As in, I think they're actually pretty dope on hand. I'm gonna break down everything that's in the shoe, but I just want to show you guys first all the fine details of the shoe. All right, so like I said, this shoe has a lot going on for it. It has that chili red and this kind of like nubuck suede material up here. Also here, that nubuck, and then it's just tumbled leather all around. But it also has this print, and it's a dragon going around the whole shoe, which is a pretty crazy concept. I don't know if you guys could tell yet, but you guys could see the textures on the shoes are amazing. The quality is amazing on this shoe. And came with a little crease there. Yeah, guys, they basically made these to honor his Olympic medal, so you guys are gonna see that hint of gold as representing that gold medal, baby, for the US. On the tongue here, we got the MJ23, and on the inside of that, you got your Air Jordan size tag in there. Coming down, these just come with black laces, no extra laces. 7s usually don't come with extra laces though. And these are pretty dope, man. On the side of the upper, we got that nice tumbled leather again. This is really tumbled. Again, guys, great quality shoe. Watching 4K so you guys can see all the great details of this shoe. This is like woven almost. This isn't leather or anything. It's a very, very, very dope shoe. And on the bottom here, we got this translucent sole, and it actually glows in the dark, which I will show you guys that in a few minutes. Red Jumpman on the bottom, that chili red. It's not actually red, it's chili red. Just overall dope shoe, man. Let's take out the other pair, put them side by side. I know I've been all over in reviewing this shoe, but there's just so much to get to. Like, just so much details got put into this shoe. So that's why I said earlier that it's definitely worth the $200, because usually the Jordan brand just re-releases a colorway and it comes with cheaper material, and it's just not good. So on the back right here on the heel tab, according to the Nike website, this is supposed to be a number 9. I don't know if it has letters in it as well, but that's supposed to be a number 9, commemorating his jersey number that he wore in the Olympics. If you guys remember, he was number 9, he wasn't number 23. And there it is, the shoe glowing in the dark. It's not really fully dark in here, but you guys could already see it glowing. These are definitely attention grabbers for sure. If you guys scoop these up, people will be breaking their necks to look. All right guys, so let me know if you guys picked these up. These came out on September 5th, just 6 days ago. Got these in the mail a couple days ago, just got around to reviewing them. But like I said, man, really dope concept, dope shoe. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below, and if you guys picked them up. If you guys want to see more sneaker reviews, make sure you guys drop a like, comment, and subscribe. It's your boy Cesar signing out.